right, guys, welcome back to the channel. We're excited. We done something. We'll show you. We'll throw the clip in here in a second. But we got the dry shaft here. We got the U-joints in it. It's exciting. Look how good it is, guys.
It does look good.
Guys, so make sure before we get started here, make sure you go and like, subscribe, tell your friends to like, subscribe. Let's build this channel, guys. So, because we got a cool build coming in here. We're going to get the Mustang put down in Hunter's Papa's garage. And so we can bring in the big truck. Because what we're going to get for this thing is exciting. We got a new chassis. It's going to have disc brakes and
brakes in the front.
It's better suspension. It's already lowered.
It's gonna be sweet.
It's already slammed. So we're excited about it. We're gonna go pick it up hopefully tomorrow. So what we want to do is maybe get this dry shaft. Should we shoot a little paint on this thing? Oh, Hunter, show them what you got.
Oh yeah, it has to do with this banner right here. I got some snap-on tools, 2 of them, and I got a Mac wrench, and then there's a Mercedes wrench. And an SK wrench. So we're getting some more
excited.
tools.
He's excited. We found a place that we can get this snap-on stuff for a good price. Like you know, this one wrench right here, brand new, sells for $40.
And for 3 of those wrenches, I paid $40.
Yeah. So I mean, he found the deal, guys. But here's what we're going to do. Here, this baby right here is going to go into the truck right now.
Yeah, the rat rod motor is going to be in the truck.
Yeah, we'll do the rat rod later. We're going to put it on hold because we're excited about this truck because we got way more parts now.
And we don't have to fabricate everything.
We got a rear end now.
Yep.
From the truck for the rat rod.
But with the truck, we don't have to fabricate every type of suspension.
No. So we can go ahead and get on that, get this 350. We need to hurry and button this up and get it painted because the color scheme we're going to do on the motor is going to match the truck. It's going to be sick, guys. So make sure you stay tuned for this truck build. It's going to be fun because it's going to be a slammed.
Well, maybe not slammed, but it's going to be lowered.
It's lowered a lot.
Yeah, but it's not slammed. Slam's like sitting on the ground.
No, I mean, later we might put airbags on it. We don't know, but as of right
now,
it's going to be a lower.
This truck will always be a project.
Yeah, just like the Mustang will always be a project. We'll always upgrade. We'll always, because we plan on going on the Sniper EFI in this thing and
the truck later on, I want to go
do LS. So we're going to put this in until we get an LS for it. You know, just stuff like that. Upgrade the trucks. I guess we'll sell the Nova, maybe. Maybe.
Just depends.
Because the Novas turn out pretty cool.
Yeah, I love the Nova.
So, I mean, guys, we got a lot of builds going on.
So we got to get to work.
So let's get to it.
Beautiful. Alright.
The yoke goes up here, don't it?
Don't matter.
It don't matter at all? It might have been that one. I don't know.
Might have been what?
It might have been up there.
It don't matter. It's the same size on both sides.
Well, that worked lovely.
There's your little secret.
A little lesson learned from Price Schooling.
Price schooling.
Dave Price Schooling, mechanical engineer. Put your pins back in.
Put pins in.
What if your pins ever come out?
What pins? Oh, those? I guess the driveshaft come out.
That wouldn't be good, would it?
Mm-mm. No, sir.
All right, next.
I want to lay it in here.
All right, I will. Now we'll hold this end.
Yep. Oh, yeah. Pick it up so I can put these in.
All right, sorry.
All right.
Trying to hold and record at the same time.
Multitasking.
I'm glad we bought this table. David's trying to hide his trajectory.
Gotta get it in there.
His witchcraft. No, it ain't witchcraft. Beautiful. That was just too soft, ain't it?
No, it just wasn't lined up good.
That's because of me, probably.
No, it's just the way it is. This must have a burr in it, so I'm gonna have to knock it in. I forgot that's the one we ground on.
Was that the one we ground on?
Yeah. So it must have had a little spot on it.
Dry shaft install 101.
Big hammer.
Big hammer. Lesson learned. David said he can do these in 5 minutes, so we're looking like we might be. Well, that's if he didn't have to grind.
I even had to grind it still on time.
Still, we're almost at 5 minutes. Pretty good.
15 minutes. Let's say 5.
No, you said 15. Yeah, getting it installed. You got this in 5 minutes. You did say you could, and you did. That was if not counting the grinding. Beautiful. Look at that. That looks so much prettier with the blue. You know, Ford blue on Chevy.
Back in the day, that is Ford. Back in the day, it was all Ford.
Isn't it crazy? Thing's dirty, ain't it?
Yep.
Been in a cow field.
Well.
Man, that thing's heavy. guys, we've been playing musical cars this morning because we're gonna have to get this truck off so we can go.
We got it right here. Yeah.
Because we had another trailer lined up, but it didn't work out. So now, and I can't get hold of David, so we're gonna have to try ourselves to get this chassis completely off.
Yeah,
this truck off here.
It's not gonna be fun.
And I've never used this winch myself, so let's try it. Guys, look, the winch, we didn't have the piece because we can't get a hold of David, and so we can't winch it off here, so we're having to do this. Look, come over here and show them what we got going on here. For one, we got the cherry picker holding the rear end up.
Yeah,
this rear end, the brakes are totally locked up on it. So we're getting the weight off of it, and I'm using this come along, which is very sketchy, and we're just having to come along it
to where it'll work.
Yeah.
We moved it a lot already, so.
Well, you know, it was on the trailer.
Yeah.
But this has took what?
An hour. And we're not even done yet.
Just to get it this far.
Luckily we had that thing in the garage though.
Yeah. This is from my cutting trees days.
Oh, it's that old?
Well, no. I think I might have had a wall that's a little out of square, and I told the people I could fix it, and I think I could.
Oh, that's what you did.
Put it back to square.
We can just get past that point right there.
We'll get past it right here this time.
We finally got the back tires on the ground. So what are we gonna do now? Hey, what's our next step on this?
Hopefully get this unhooked and somehow
get the rest of it off the trailer. So that's gonna be fun, but we're gonna figure it out.
All right, guys. Hunter, let's back it up a little bit, see if it works. Get it. All right, keep going. Keep going. Go. Keep going. Now let's take some weight off this.
You see what's real now.
There we go. Alright. Gotta get this off here.
So what are we gonna do now? You gonna let it out?
No.
Here we go. This is gonna be kind of sketchy. Yeah. You're almost to the edge. You got about 12 inches.
I need to gut it?
No, you got 12 inches before the end. All right, you can gun it. Perfect. That worked out perfect. You're almost to the end. Not about it. 12 inches. Now you got 12 inches before the end. All right, you got it.
I tell you what, this is probably the closest trip we're ever going to take to go get a vehicle or something.
Yeah, not too far away.
No, like what, 2-3 blocks?
Yeah, so we're gonna go get the chassis for the truck. So it's
And
gonna
get back, and I don't know, man. I'm tired.
I'm super tired. We've been
have
working on it
worked
all day.
all day. But you know, that's part of it. You want to restore these old cars.
So let's go get the chassis.
Yeah.
Well, we got the truck loaded up back there. We took the whole thing because we're gonna have to take the cab off because we couldn't do it today, and he just let us take the truck. We're gonna take the cab off and get it back to him,
And his wheels.
and his wheels back to him. But I'm so excited to
But boy,
get this.
I was looking at that chassis, strapping it up. It's been C-notch lowered.
And all the work looks good on it.
Oh my gosh, we do have a flat tire over here.
But we're gonna have to get back to the shop because we have flat tires. Hopefully we'll make it.
Yeah. All right, guys, check this out. Come
Look at it.
We got it's got a steering box, a newer one. It's got
Aftermarket spindles.
aftermarket spindles. It's, I mean, man, this right here,
C-notched.
C-notch. It's C-notched in the back and lowered. It's got disc brakes up front.
Yep.
That truck back here is about to become a beast.
Yeah, it is.
So imagine that body.
That body back there with this chassis. It's gonna be awesome.
Because we have to get this off for the guy.
Yeah, we got to take the cab off and the wheels off.
And the wheels, because man, I wish we could have those wheels, but they're his.
There he is.
But well, he might have another set for us that we can buy from him. So we're excited, guys. I mean, look at this. We got a new. We're upgrading that old truck to a newer truck. That we don't get to keep the transmission.
No, but we get the drive shaft.
We get the drive shaft. So I mean, guys, we're about got the whole truck. We're about to have the whole truck, don't we?
Yeah, a lot of it.
So guys, we'll get to work on this. Everybody just follow along with the build. Make sure you like, subscribe, tell friends about it. Because guys, it's gonna be a hot rod truck. It's gonna be
cool.
It's gonna be fun. So let's get to work, man. All right, guys, I forgot to say bye.
Thanks for watching.
So thanks for watching, guys, and make sure you like and subscribe. See you later, man.
Peace.